Did you know that flamingos can drink boiling water? Yes, you heard that right. These incredible birds have the unique ability to consume water that would be too hot for most other creatures. It's true. They live in very hot places with very salty water. These environments might seem harsh to us, but flamingos thrive in them. Their habitats often include alkaline or saline lakes, which can reach temperatures that are quite extreme. But don't worry, they have special adaptations to help them drink it without getting hurt. Their unique physiology allows them to filter out the salt and withstand the high temperatures. Pretty cool, right? It's like they have their own built-in survival kit. Now let's learn more about these amazing birds. Flamingos are not just found in one part of the world. They are truly global travelers. Flamingos are found all over the world, but they especially love warm places like Africa and South America. These regions provide the perfect conditions for their unique lifestyle. They're like little feathered tourists, always seeking out the sunniest spots. Whether they're basking in the sun or wading through warm waters, flamingos know how to make the most of their environment. So next time you see a flamingo, remember just how extraordinary these birds really are. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers. These vibrant colors come from the carotenoid pigments in their diet, which includes algae and crustaceans. The more they eat, the brighter their feathers become. They're so stylish, don't you think? With their elegant posture and graceful movements, flamingos look like they are always ready for a photo shoot. Their long necks and legs add to their sophisticated appearance. Imagine a fashion show with all those pink feathers. It would be a spectacular sight, with flamingos strutting down the runway, showing off their beautiful plumage. Each bird would bring its unique flair, making the show a dazzling display of nature's beauty. They have long, skinny legs that are perfect for wading in the water. These legs allow them to navigate through shallow lakes and lagoons with ease, searching for food. Their webbed feet help them balance and move gracefully through the water. And their necks are super bendy, which helps them reach down for food. This flexibility is crucial for their feeding habits, allowing them to access food sources that other birds can't reach. But the most interesting thing about flamingos is their beaks. These specialized beaks are perfectly adapted for their unique feeding style. They are specially designed to filter food out of the water. The beak structure allows them to separate mud and silt from the nutritious food they need. They sweep their heads from side to side, using their tongues to pump water through their beaks and trap tiny plants and animals. This fascinating feeding technique ensures they get enough nutrients to maintain their vibrant feathers and overall health. So, next time you see a flamingo, remember there's more to their beauty than meets the eye. Now, let's talk about that famous pink plumage. Why are flamingos pink? Well, it's all about their diet. They eat lots of shrimp, algae, and other little creatures that contain a special pigment called carotenoid. Carotenoids are like natural food coloring. When flamingos eat these foods, the carotenoids stain their feathers pink. So the more they eat, the pinker they get. It's like eating lots of carrots and turning orange, but much prettier. Flamingos are very social birds, and they live in large groups called flocks. These flocks can be quite large, sometimes consisting of hundreds or even thousands of individuals. Imagine hundreds or even thousands of flamingos all hanging out together. It's a spectacular sight to see so many of these pink birds in one place. They like to live in places with lots of shallow water, like lagoons, where they can easily find food and socialize with each other. Lakes and mudflats. These areas provide the perfect environment for flamingos to thrive. These watery habitats are perfect for finding food and raising their young ones. Flamingos feed on algae, small insects, and crustaceans, which are abundant in these shallow waters. Plus, it's much harder for predators to sneak up on them when they're surrounded by water. Safety in numbers. The large flocks also help them keep an eye out for danger, ensuring that they can quickly react and take flight if needed. This communal living not only provides safety, but also strengthens their social bonds. Life in a flamingo flock is never boring. They communicate with each other using a variety of honks, grunts, and even wing flapping. It's like their own special language. One of the most amazing things about flamingos is their synchronized movements. They often move together in large groups, creating beautiful patterns on the water. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance. So there you have it. Flamingos are truly extraordinary creatures. From their vibrant pink feathers to their unique feeding habits and social lives, There's so much to admire about these fascinating birds. Next time you see a picture of a flamingo, or even better, see one in real life, remember all the amazing things that make them so special. They are a true testament to the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Help the channel grow by subscribing and sharing this video.